Welcome to my review and demonstration of the JASHEN V18 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. I have also reviewed the JASHEN V12 and the V16. I will leave a link in the description box below if you want to watch them. This has a 350 watt brushless motor, same as the V16. But what makes this model different, it has a dust sensor and a built-in smart sensor which automatically adjusts the suction, which will result in better performance and in a better runtime. If you're interested in picking this up, I will leave a link in the description box below. JASHEN were kind enough to provide me with some discount. I'll leave that in the link below as well, next to the like button. Let's see what's included. You get some paperwork and some screws should you wish to mount the cleaner. I get a 3-pin charger because of course I'm in the UK. You will get whatever country you're in. You get a 2-in-1 dusting and crevice tool. Just push that back. You've got your crevice tool there and a dusting brush. Nice length. You get a crevice tool, again a really good length. And then you get the mini motorized brush. This has its own independent 15 watt motor, really good for pet bedding, your car footwells and the stairs. And you can see that clip there. If you want to further clean it, you just put a coin in there, remove that would come out. You could clean it. It's got a litter picker there. Then you've got your charging dock there. It does hold a spare battery. It will charge the spare battery as well. You can pick a spare battery up from Amazon and you charge it from there. That's the charging port, and it's got the markings at the back if you want to mount it. 2 tools live aboard, so your crevice tool and the dusting brush would fit on there. The main head, you get 2 heads included. The one that's on there, that's for hard floor. JASHEN recommend to leave the gauge on the front. You could see it's a rubber gauge. Leave that up when you're using it on hard floors. It's good for picking up larger debris. And if you're going onto carpet, use this brush of course, and then push that down. It will give it more suction. You can see it's got some vents there. If I just turn it around there, it does have its own 30 watt independent motor. That's where they perform really good. It's got some litter pickers there and felt strip there. These are rubber, well they feel rubber, so they won't damage your hard floor. And if you can see there, if I just push that, it's got a lock off and a lock on button. So if I push it off, that is removed. And then you just put the other one on, push that down, and then you're ready to do your carpets. So in my demonstration, I will be leaving it on the auto setting because of course this has the sensor where it will adjust the cleaner itself, so saves me from going from minimum to maximum. I'll just leave it on auto and the cleaner will do all the work. It's got some LED lights there, and as you can see, it's a click fit system, so the main body will fit on here. So again, you can do your stairs with this as well if you don't want to use the small brush. So you've got wider stairs, it will be a lot quicker using a bigger head than using the small one. And it's got some instructions there as well. That's the wand. Click fit system again, so the tools would fit directly onto the wand or they would fit onto the main body of the cleaner. I do like the color on this. You get a 2500 milliampere battery made by Samsung. It's got some information at the back there. Once I insert it into the machine, it will come on. I'll show you. You've got your on off button there and your mode selection there. You can see it's got the minus and plus. So if you turn it on, by default it comes on auto. You've got your auto there, max and minimum. You've got your battery indicator there. There are 2 more lights that are not coming on at the moment, but once you go over dust, there's a dust sensor symbol that will come up. And the other one is your filter clean button. When that's on, make sure to wash your filters, otherwise your cleaner will lose performance. There's your charging port at the back there. You could charge the cleaner directly like this as a unit, or you can mount the cleaner onto the docking station. It's got a handy little sticker there telling you how to empty the bin. You've got your max line there. And of course the bin would only empty one way. You just pull that down. That would come out and then put it back. To remove the bin, you've got these blue tabs there. Remove. And you've got your filter in there, so just pull that, it's removed. The whole shroud is removable, so you can give it a further clean. You can wash all that, twist that. You've got access to the filter, HEPA filter, so good for pet allergy sufferers and asthmatics. Give that a wash, push that back in like so, and it goes in either way. And then you just fit it back onto the cleaner. You can see it's got them 2 marks at the top there, 2 marks there. Just line it up and clicks into place. I've shown you what's included. Let's get on with some demonstrations now. The first demonstration is on hard floor. I've put down some rolled oats, some crackers, some biscuits, and something else that's in there. I don't know, I forgot. I've got the roller on and the gauge is pushed up as Jashin recommend. As you've seen there, it's picked everything up. I just wanted to show you the dust sensor in action. I've put down some rice, and if I turn it on, so it's an auto setting, as you can see there. You see that? Did you see that there? The strength went on full. Once the rice had been picked up, it went down. So it is really optimizing the battery there. That is a really good feature, that. I moved over to a thick pile carpet. I've put down the same stuff, some rice, rolled oats, some crackers and some biscuits. I will be doing it on the auto mode, and of course I've changed the brush bar to the carpet one. Turn it on and give it a little shake. Yeah, it's not done too good on the rice. It's picked everything else up apart from the rice. But to be fair, there was a lot more rice on the carpet than there was on the actual hard floor. I mean, I can just put it in the maximum setting myself. That will tackle the rice. But I will just leave it in auto and carry on. There you go. If you have a look at the bin there, it's picked everything up. The rice, rolled oats, biscuits, and some carpet fibre as well. And it's even groomed the carpet as well. It's lifted the pile up. That's the end of my demonstration of the JASHEN V18 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. My overall thoughts, I think it's a great piece of kit. For the price, you can't go wrong. At the time of making this video, it's on for £200. V16 is on for £180. I'd say go for this. When I first got this and I seen the dust sensor, I thought that was a bit of a gimmick, but it does actually work. It saves you from changing the settings, low, medium and high. It does it automatically for you, as I mentioned before, resulting in better runtime and resulting in better performance. The build quality, really good on it. Suction, really good. Battery life, again, is good because it's from 40 minutes to 15 minutes. The 15 minutes is if you're in high setting, and 40, of course, if you're in low setting. Admittedly, I haven't had full 40 minutes. I've always had slightly less. But then again, it depends how much mess you have around your house. Really good for cleaning your car. I like the length on the tools. The crevice tool is a decent size, and you can, of course, pick up an extra battery. Two things I do not like about this cleaner. The first thing, the outlet, the silver bit there. If that's too close to your face, the cleaner, it hits you on your face, and that's not a nice feeling. I mean, I suppose you can use the extension wand and have it far away. Secondly, it's heavy. I mean, when it's got the floor head and the wand, the weight's evened out. But when you've got a tool on it single, like say you're doing your stairs with the small tool, or you're doing your car with the crevice tool, if you've got any arthritis or you're elderly, it is quite heavy. My friends, I hope you're all looking after yourself. Stay well, stay safe. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.